A very good afternoon, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijaya Lakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, for the past 3 weeks, we have been doing the revision of the lesson division. I hope you have practiced it very well. Children, the importance of multiplication table is very much here. Practice division every day. Okay, so today I am going to summarize what we have learnt in this lesson. So first let me start from the definition of division. Division means equal share. Division means equal share, and division is also repeated subtraction of a number. Also, division is the opposite of multiplication. Now, let us move on to the properties of division. When you divide a number by the same number, the answer remains 1. And when you divide a number by 1, the answer is the same number. And you cannot divide any number by 0. Also, for a multiplication facts, you get 2 division facts. For example, 3 into 4 is equal to 12 has 2 division facts. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 and 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So now let us learn the components of division. The number which you divide is called dividend. The number by which you divide is called divisor. And the answer you get after division is called the quotient. And whatever number is remaining after division is called the remainder. Okay. So children, 1-digit number, division by 1-digit number. So now let us move on and summarize all what we have learned in this lesson. Okay. Now let us divide all these numbers by 1-digit number. So let us start from the first number, 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4. So 4 goes 1 time in 4. Yes. Then subtract. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then bring down the next digit, 8. And how many times 4 goes in 8? 2 times. Isn't it? So 4 2s are 8. Subtract and you get the answer as subtract and you get the remainder as 0. So remainder is equal to 0 and the quotient is equal to 12. Now let us move on to the next number, that is 723 divided by 3. Now how many times does 3 go in 7? Yes. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 3 2s are 6. Now subtract. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Then bring down the next digit, that is 2. Now how many times does 3 go in 12? 3 4s are 12. Isn't it? So 3 4s are 12. Now subtract again and you get the remainder as 0. Then bring down the next digit, 3. Now how many times 3 goes in 3? 1 time, isn't it? So 3 1s are 3 and subtract and you get the remainder as 0. So here the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 241. Okay children? It is getting easier for you, right? Now let us move on to the next number. 6487 divided by 6. So now let us see how many times 6 goes in 6. Yes, it is 1 time, isn't it? So minus it and remainder 0. Then bring down the next digit 4. 6 goes in 4? No, isn't it? So what will you do? Do you remember? Yes, you have to place a 0 in the quotients place. Right? Then bring down the next digit 8. Then see how many times 6 goes in 48. Yes, just 8 times. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. So 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Now subtract again and you get the remainder as 0. Now what is left here, children? Yes, 7, isn't it? Now how many times does 6 go in 7? Yes, 1 time. So 1 time. And so now subtract and you get the remainder as 1. So what is the remainder here? 1. And what is the quotient? 1081. So that's it, children. So you have learnt the division by one digit number. So let us move on and see how the division of two digit number is. Children, let us summarize the division by two digit numbers. So we have 374 divided by 11. 374 divided by 11. So now let us consider the two digits 37 and we have to see how many times 11 goes in 37. How many times does it go? Yes, just 3 times, isn't it? So 11 3s are 13 and subtract it. You get 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now bring down the next digit, that is 4. That is 44. Now how many times does 11 go in 44? 4 times, isn't it? So 11 4s are 44. Now subtract and you get the remainder as 0. So remainder is equal to 0 and quotient is equal to 34. Now let us see the division of the 4 digit number by 2 digit number. Yes. So we have to consider the 2 digit 5 and 8 because 25 is a 2 digit number. So how many times 25 goes in 58? Yes, it is 2 times, isn't it? 25 into 2 is equal to 50. Now subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Then bring down the next number 7. Now let us see how many times 25 goes in 87. So you already know that 25 into 2 is equal to 50. So let us see what is 25 into 3. 25 into 3 is 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 75. And what is 25 into 4? 5 4s are 20. And 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So we have to consider 25 into 3. So 25 into 3 is 75. So now 7 minus 5 is 2. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So then can you divide? So now 12 is smaller than 25, isn't it? So what we have to do? Yes, bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now let us see how many times 25 goes in 125. You already know that 25 into 4 is 100. Now let us see what is 25 into 5. 25 into 5 is 5 5s are 25. 2 here. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So you got it? Yes, 25 into 5 is equal to 125. Now subtract and the remainder is 0. So the remainder is 0 and the quotient is equal to 235. So children, I hope you have understood and you will be able to do more division problems in this way. So work out division problems at home go through the YouTube video, do more text exercises, and also I'll be conducting a test when the school reopens. I wish you all a very happy Christmas. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.